Hey guys, it's Chase here with WhiteDiamond 24V Customs.
We won't stop. The tops we grow now. We won't stop. Tops we won't stop. The tops we grow now. We won't stop. Now we won't stop. The tops we grow now. We won't stop. Tops we won't stop. The tops we grow now. We won't stop.
I'm here to show you guys today a neat product from Wash Product. It's called wax replacement. It comes in a bottle like this. The nice thing is, I know a lot of truckers anyway don't have a whole lot of time to wash their vehicles. What's really nice is this stuff beads up amazing. All you do is foam cannon it on, let it sit for a minute or two, pressure wash it back off, and you are ready to go. Just give it a little blow dry with a leaf blower or wipe it down, whatever you prefer. But this is a great product for midweek washes. Really beads off the rain. I mean, I use it on my daily driver, my diesel pickup, and I mean, I drive all over polishing semis and washing them up, and yeah, it keeps my truck clean. You hit a rainstorm, get out of it, and your truck's pretty much dry at that point. But yeah, like I said, it's very simple, it's very cost effective. You don't need to use a lot of this stuff. A little bit goes a lot of ways, so make sure you guys read directions very carefully. But yeah, let's get to it and show you guys how the product works.